A city. A bad city. A city where the rats carry switchblades. An alley, a bad alley. The kind that smells like old regrets and expired milk. A bad idea. That's me, walking straight into it. Megan, sweet kid, 8 years old, hugged me every night. Then she grew up, got a phone, and dropped me like a rigged lottery ticket. Funny how fast love turns into a storage box. Retirement was supposed to be easy. Some dust, a shot of carrot whiskey. Instead, I'm knee-deep in garbage, dodging death like it's got my address saved. I've met some bad people, crooks, murderers, guys who say, let's circle back on that next week. But nothing is worse than cats. Even this one. Cute? Yeah. Innocent? About as much as a used car salesman on commission. And then there's this one, straight out of a Stephen King novel. Stares like it knows my browser history. 2 options. Be adults or panic and run. Take a wild guess which one we picked. No way out. No backup. Unless I rub my own foot for luck. Or finally confront my childhood fear of ventriloquist dummies. If I wake up as a couch pillow, somebody's getting the axe. Right after the cat.